This is Savannah, and welcome to another video. Today in this video is another video, oh no, I think I just went on Gordon's World by accident. Gordon, if you're watching this, I'm not going to do anything to it. Well, as I said in the last video, I had a lot of plans for this episode, but Gordon actually, so I don't think you saw this. Yeah, I'm in Gordon's World. But, guys, Gordon actually got me a new realm. Or ranch, or something. Okay, it's hard to explain, like a teleport kind of thing. I'm sorry, I just don't know. So, because we did this mission, and Gordon said, so really, this is like the teleporting thing. Wait, if you just go in here, and it brings me to this world. Yeah, and so I'm going to explore this after I explain. Oh yeah, and also he got me jetpack shoes. Yeah, he also got me the rocket shoes. So yeah, now I can fly. Well, let's just go back here in the grotto. Oh no. Oh. And in the last video, we went supply shopping. So yeah. So guys, in this video, we're just gonna do tangs. Alright, good, you're happy. I gave them 1,000 food. And Gordon has a lot of power in his jetpack shoes, really, so that's not really fair. So I'm gonna feed my grottos. Wow, I like these rocket shoes. So just to fill theirs up a little bit. What? Oh, I keep on getting the food and the food dispenser or whatever it's called, and the plort collector mixed up. That's what I always do by accident. Yeah, but Gordon was actually pretty impressed that I had the grotto. But guys, it was 19 minutes in the video, and guys, we couldn't really show you all of it. I was running out of time like crazy. It's really rare for it to upload, but I'm glad it did. So that, oh no, I forgot they didn't have a food collector or whatever it's called. Food giver. Well, guys, I'm going to go with all my water filled up. Some things to prepare me. And I'm going to make sure while I'm gone, all of my slimes are well fed. Okay, I'm just going to give them a few carrots. I'm just going to give them. Oh, that's awesome. So they just got some hens anyway. I keep looking in there. Yeah, they have 12 hens. That can keep them well fed while I'm gone. And yeah, oh yeah, they're definitely well fed. And did I already check them? Oh yeah, 13 carrots. So that will definitely get them through the day, I'm pretty sure. Wait, how did these get here? Oh yeah, and these all fell out when I completed the mission. So yeah, I'm just going to throw these in here. The stony hens, they can eat them, right? So I'm just So I'm just going to I'm gonna get some of the carrots and make sure they're all well fed. Okay, so I'm just going to refill them again. I like the jetpack thing, guys. I just like it. So I'm going to definitely make sure that they're all fed, and then I'll have to be on my way. Actually, I should take it just like 10. Actually, yeah, they should get 30 or something. There's Stony Hen. And then they can have 6 carrots. Oh, yeah, so, okay, guys, I know you're dying to just see me explore that. Well, if you're watching. But, but guys, I'm just trying to make sure that all my slimes are well fed. My hens don't really need to be fed, and I am very grateful for that. And guys, also, Thanksgiving was yesterday, so, so, so just here, I'm just going to, it's kind of hard to give them food. Ow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And they are more picky. So that should keep them well fed while I'm gone. So I will wake up in the morning and then they'll just be well fed. They won't, and So I have to sleep until morning and return to ranch. Yes. Now I just have to go to the grotto, and I have to keep my jetpack actually up with power. So yeah. And I'm going to ask Gordon how can I get it up. So I wonder if there's any new slimes I can get. Seriously, that's blocked. Okay. What is this place? I thought there was going to be new slimes and stuff. Aww. Well, I'm just going to have this place, I guess. How can I unlock this place? Okay, wait, does it tell you? Oh, I guess I'm just going to jump back, and also so I actually didn't think I would just be gone for that short of time, but at least my slimes are just going to be well fed, one way or another. Actually, I kind of want some of their food. They have over 23, So that should be enough, just in case, and I need my water up. Okay, guys, so that cave that I was always afraid to go in, always, guys? You should kind of remember that. So if you don't, I'm just going to go to it. But you should really remember, guys, because it was not that long ago. And poor chicken. I keep on calling Ken chickens. So it's that down there. Gordon said all you have to do is just feed them. So, and he actually did feed them yesterday. It's just I don't know if they turned evil again. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Ow, ow, no, no. I gave them food. Alright, guys, I have to get food as quick as I can. So, where's food? Okay, I need food. I literally just need at least one piece, okay? I need at least one piece. No, no, come on. And these carrots haven't grown yet. Oh no. I have to get more food from my ranch, I guess. Guys, I really thought we had it. There's like 2 Q-berries. I think I'm gonna have to risk it, guys, with the Q-berries. Guys, because I'm just desperate right now. So yeah. I'm just desperate for it. So guys, before this video ends, I promise I will get in that land. Okay, I promise. And if I don't, I will slap myself in the face. Hopefully that one I just fed and that one that actually turned good. Is still good. Oh, the other one ate it. That's good. I'm just going to get some of these because, you know, they're rare too. And now I have Q-berries. Great. I wanted to save my room for the other ones. So this is like the land behind it, guys. And it's actually pretty beautiful. And, oh, a hen. Oh, I thought that was a hen. That's right, I have enough carrots. I don't need that. Wait. Ooh. Oh. I actually never gotten these before. Okay, guys. What do these... I want one. Boom slime. Careful, these slimes have been known for explosion. Oh my goodness, Tar. I knew it. Yeah! Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to like explore, guys. Because I literally have no idea where I'm going. I'm just trying to explore. Whoa. A Gordo. Awesome. Well, they can't eat. Okay, well, guys, I will come back to feeding the Gordo. So, wait, which way am I going? Okay, that way. So, I'm going to get like a coral, guys, and I'm going to put like the boom slimes in it. And it says that the boom slimes are pretty dangerous, so they can cause like explosions. So, yeah. I'm trying to find like 3 boom slimes, but I think it would actually kind of be best to only have 2. And where do I come out from? It's really dangerous here. From here? Guys, I'm lost. Guys, I'm actually lost. Alright, maybe I came out from here. Or maybe I can like see from up here where I came out. It has to be over there. Yeah, I think I actually came out from there. I just love these jetpacks. Or like, yeah, they are jetpacks. So, guys, I actually cannot believe I got boom slimes. Oh no, I didn't know they would turn evil again. Oh no. Guys, that's crazy. Okay, guys, I'm actually really scared of that place, guys, but I promised you I would come there again. And I actually got boom slimes from there, so it actually is pretty helpful. I'm only going to put 2 boom slimes in like a coral because I'm actually honestly scared of them. And just now, all this food grows. Just now. And the Q-berries just take up all my space for exploring and getting food. Okay, well, I guess these can go in the grotto. Because that's just Hen Paradise. And the grotto is where I put all the slimes that can hurt you. And it looks like my plan worked and looks like they're all well fed. And they're all still happy. Okay, well the boom slimes have to be down here anyway, so I'm just going to get purchase. Okay, I cannot let these boom slimes roam free. Okay, well I'm going to still keep them because I have to make another wall. It's just I only have like 100 guys. 169 money or plort things. So I'm going to keep them in my storage area until then. No. Oh no, slimes cannot go in there. Oh, it looks like I just have to keep them on me, I guess, so. Okay. That kind of got my money up to 200. Well, guys, it's actually the end of the video. I do hope you liked it. I will get money out of episode. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Bye.